Hi, and welcome to this first official lesson for the 11 Plus Junior Booster course. Welcome. Before we start, let me give you a quick guidance on what we're going to be doing in the next few weeks and months. We'll be looking at the foundation subjects of verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, maths, and English. And above all, we'll be going through all the different subjects and topics within the Year 4 national curriculum in maths and English. So before we get started, it's very important to do an assessment because an assessment tells us what our strengths and our weaknesses are. So we'll be starting off with an assessment 11 plus English paper. So you go to my website first of all, which is called adnankhantutoring.co.uk, and on the top right hand side, you see a button here that says Take Assessment. So if you just click on this particular button, and this will take you on to the next page. And on the left-hand side, you can see this here, which says Year 4, 11 plus, just there. And if you click on this particular icon now, and it will take you to the first assessment. If you click on assessment 1, and then click on the red button, and one more time, and then you can get started. Now, you answer all these questions for me. There are 40 questions altogether on English language, some 11 plus questions, punctuation, and grammar. And this is your first task for your next lesson. Okay, the homework will be explained to you in detail and the timings and the schedule. Good luck on this, and I will see you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.